Hello everyone. Welcome to the biology class under the Bodhi tree, the abode of knowledge. Today's class we are going to discuss about nutrition. What is nutrition? The food supplying system is called as nutrition. So, we can define nutrition as the process by which an organism consumes food and utilizes it for different metabolic activities. So, we can say nutrition is the method by which an organism takes in food, digests it, converts it into energy, and uses it for performing different activities. What is the need for nutrition? Number 1, it provides energy for various metabolic activities. Number 2, it is used for growth of the organism. And number 3, it is also used for repair of damaged cells and tissues by the organism. Now, where do we get this nutrition from? We get this nutrition from nutrients. So, the raw materials which provide nourishment to the organisms are called as nutrients. Some nutrients are required in large amounts called as macronutrients like carbohydrates, proteins and fats, while some nutrients are required in very less amount and they are called micronutrients like vitamins and minerals. Each organism has its own method of procuring nourishment from the environment. Based on that, nutrition can be classified into two modes of nutrition. What are they? The first one is autotrophic nutrition, whereas the second one, heterotrophic nutrition. The type of nutrition where organism prepares its own food is called as autotrophic nutrition, whereas the type of nutrition where organism depends on others for its nourishment are called heterotrophic nutrition. Same way, organisms are also classified as autotrophs, which are organisms which carry out autotrophic nutrition, while the second category is heterotrophs, means organisms which carry out heterotrophic nutrition. The best example of autotrophic nutrition is green plants, while the best example for heterotrophs is animals. Today, we will discuss about autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition. Green plants are called autotrophs because they can make their own food. This mode of nutrition is called as autotrophic nutrition. Majority of plants are green because they possess a green coloring pigment called chlorophyll. It is found in organelles called chloroplasts present in the cells of green plants. Let us understand the importance of chlorophyll in plants. Chlorophyll helps the plants to make their own food in the presence of sunlight. Using water and dissolved minerals absorbed from the soil through their roots and carbon dioxide from the air through their leaves. This process of food making by green plants is known as photosynthesis. Let us take a look at the importance of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis helps plants to make food for the plant. It is the primary source of food for all other living organisms in the world. It maintains the balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. To summarize, the process by which green plants prepare food in the presence of sunlight using carbon dioxide and water is called photosynthesis. Solar energy is converted to chemical energy, forming carbohydrates in this process. This process takes place in the leaves of green plants, which contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. This process of photosynthesis can be represented using a chemical equation as 6CO2 plus 6H2O in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight gives C6H12O6 plus 6O2, where CO2 is carbon dioxide, H2O is water, C6H12O6 is glucose, and O2 is oxygen. Thank you.